Hello. In this video, I'll be describing how to use a bash script, which I put together to generate Desmond molecular dynamics reports on the Lengal CHPC cluster. And this is especially for protein ligand simulation. And I have put the link to the scripts in the video description. And this particular script is useful because sometimes you just need to generate molecular dynamics data, the plots such as RMSD, RMSF, right from within the cluster without needing to download the entire trajectory to your local machine. So um, I use mobile because the cluster runs in a Linux environment, and I can use mobile to access the cluster. So I have it all set up. You just need to navigate to your cluster environment and navigating to the Luster environment. Luster is the storage on Lengal cluster. So, and where I have my MD is in this folder, tests, and my MD folder is Desmond MD job. So, and as you will see, these are the bunch of files you see for a completed MD job. You have the trash folder and out.cms. So I need to navigate to this on my terminal. So I can just copy this directory here and cd into that directory. And if I ls, I see a bunch of files, including the out.cms file, which is the output of Desmond simulation. Now you just need to download the bash scripts, and if you follow the link in the description, you'll be taken to where the script is on my GitHub page. So you can just download the raw file. I've created a folder in my documents called MD reports. I download the bash scripts into that folder. So once downloaded, I'll come back to my cluster, and I want that script in my current directory. The current directory is this, which is here, and on mobile stem you can just upload from here. There are icons to download, to upload. So upload the scripts that has just been downloaded. So once it's uploaded, you see the script is right in on your cluster environment in your MD folder. So if I do LL, I see that okay, the script is now visible here. But you can't run this script, you can't execute it because it's not it's not executable yet. So to make it executable, we'll do chmod user plus x script. So, and if you ll again, you see that the file is now executable. So now right in this directory, I will execute it, but before I do so, I need to copy this file name out.cms. That's the output from your Desmond simulation. So I need to have that copied and then go ahead to run my bash scripts that I've downloaded, that I've uploaded into my cluster environment. So I can run it, put the full stop / the easy scripts, then enter. So at this point, you need to enter your project group name, and all of these inputs are case sensitive. So for your project group name, you need to you need to use all caps. For my project group name, CVBI1212, enter. Then you need to enter the file name. That's the CMS file name. That's the out.cms which you copied earlier. So I'm going to paste it and type enter. Then you need to select your module, Schrödinger module version, the version of Schrödinger you use to run the MD in my case, these are all the available versions on the Lengao cluster. So in my case, I used 2021 version 4. So use the one specific for yours, enter. Now you need to enter the protein option, which if you are not sure, you could enter auto, or if you know exactly the ASL of your protein, you could enter the ASL, like the molecule number, so on and so forth. So, but if you're not sure and it's a protein ligand system, just put auto, like I am doing here, auto. But if you know the ASL, you can go ahead to put the ASL, select ASL. So for ligand, you need to enter the ligand option too. If you are not sure of the the ASL, just put auto. So now you enter the wall time for uh, the wall time, how long you want the job to run on the cluster. So for most systems, like maybe a system size of 80,000 atoms on 100 nanoseconds run, about 30 to 40 minutes or 50 minutes is sufficient. But if you have larger systems, you could increase the time. So just to be on the safe side, you could choose 5 hours, enter, and then it's asking if you want to run the job right away. So it has already generated your submission script and the directory where all your Desmond reports will go into. So you can just, since we're on cluster, you can just say yes, you want to submit this job right away. And there you have it. The job is submitted, and on Lengao cluster to check your submitted job is do Q start, you then my username, and you see the job is already running. The job is running, and yeah. So, and if I LL to see my folder, you see a folder where all the reports will go in has been created, and the submission and the file for the PBS file for job submission has also been created, and this was the file that was submitted for running the job. So it will take some time. I'm going to pause the video and then come back when it's done. The job is done now. So, and if we try to check, we see there's nothing running again, which means the job is done. And we can try to ls, see what's inside the data directory. And we can see that all the report files, the plots and data has been generated. If we refresh this left pane, then we'll see that okay, the data folder is there. If we open it, we'll see all the files here. So all of these files we can download to our local directory to view them. So um, you can just drag this folder to your local directory. Copying, so it's copied now. And if you open, these are all the data. Open, these are all the reports. This is a PDF summary of the entire MD reports. So, and if you wish to plot your own data, yes, these are some of the pictures of the plots. And RMSD. And if you wish to plot your own data, all of these are the files, the data files that you can use to plot your own data. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.